Tashi Delek, Tsangma Tashi Delek,
구강상
다시 들ek.
Tashi Delek,
들ek.
Gomsang, Gomsang,
다시 들래.
Tashi Delek,
다시 들래.
Asu, Tashi Delek,
Tashidele, Tensila. Tashidele, everybody.
Tashi Delek, Lasso. So, first I would like to say, my Thailand friends, take care, and I will pray for all of you to overcome this problem. Okay? Yes. So, on behalf of all of us, I would like to say, take care.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Kela.
Lasso,
Thank
lasso,
you, Tensila.
lasso, lasso. Okay. Tashi Delek. Lasso, lasso.
Yeah, it was very scary. It was very scary. Yeah.
Yes, yes. It is very scary. Lasso, lasso. Yes, yes. I was here when there was a huge earthquake in Nepal. It was very scary. It was very unsettling feeling. Yes. So I can feel it little bit. So yes, on behalf of all of us, we would like to pray and overcome this problem soon. Omani Peme Hum. Lasso, lasso.
Thank you, Mani Pemi Home. Thank you.
Lasso, lasso, lasso. Okay, lasso. Tanganzo Gotsukin. Oh, lasso, lasso. Inda. Let's practice a little bit. Yen Hung La inda, Yen Hung La. Yen Hung La. Di Tang Di Karere.
Di thang di migre.
Di Tang Di Na Marebe.
Mare. Di thang di migre.
Ale.
Na mare.
Ni. Ya da dinda. En Claire La inda. Di Tang Di Karere.
Sorry, Jitandi Lakpare.
Ale, ale. Di Tang Di So Marebe.
So Mare.
Mare. Ditang di lakpare.
Peako. Di Tang Di Lakware. Lasso, lasso. Okay, like this. Ani depo impe. Depo impe. Depo impe.
Deboin.
대표인
Lasso, lasso. Depo in.
Tempoin.
Lasso, lasso. Ta Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la. Rodrigo la kerang suin. Kerang suin.
캡랑 수잉
Hmm.
캡랑 수잉
Kerang suin.
캡랑 수잉
Nga tenzin in. Nga tenzin in. Kerang suin.
그냥 로드리고 잉
Mare nga. You can say nga for yourself, right?
nga 로드리고 잉
That's it. Or kerang kanein. Kerang kanein.
그랑 그냥 야 네덜란드 잉
Netherlands ne yin. Don't forget ne.
네덜란드 네잉 네덜란드 네잉
Okay. McGregor Landa. Yeah. Kerang suin.
Nga lachlan yin.
Ale. Kerang kanein.
Nga Scotland's ne yin.
Ale, laso. Ya, sonja la inda. Kerang suyin.
Nga Sonya yin.
Laso, sonya la. Kerang kane yin.
Nga Hamburg ne yin.
Ale, laso. Tuji che. Ya, alona la inda, alona la. Kerang suyin.
Alona in
Kerang kane yin.
Ukraine ne in.
Ale, laso. Any?
Tenzin.
Yes.
So if we were speaking about someone else, so for example, if I was to say she is Alona, would you say Ray instead of Yin?
Re.
Okay.
Kong alona re. But you can say yin also. There is no rule like that. But nowadays, when we speak, that's how we use more, the way you said just now. Okay?
Yeah.
That's it. Good. Last. The Nurmala in the Nurmala. Nurmala, Depo impe.
Depo yin la.
Last. Kerang kane yin.
Nga Thailand ne yin.
Last. Oh, last. Ani ta inda. Wangmola inda, Wangmola. Wangmola, kerang kane yin.
Nga Hong Kong ne yin.
Kerang depo imbe.
Nga Depo yin tuji che.
Las. Tuji che. Fang la inda. Fang la.
La.
Kerang depo imbe.
Nga Nepo yin.
Depo yin. There. Las. Kerang kane yin. Fang la.
Nga Bangkok ne yin.
Ale, las. The Tharala inda, Tharala.
La
Tharala depo imbe.
Depo yin.
Depo yin, you can say. Okay? Ni Tharala, kerang kane yin.
Ne Bangkok ne yin.
Nga Bangkok ne yin.
Yes.
Okay, last. So take care, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Last. Jekla in the Jekla. Jekla, kiran debo imbe.
Na Depo yin.
Last. Jekla. And Jekla, kiran kane yin.
Na England ne yin.
There. Last. Nimala in the Nimala. Nimala debo imbe.
Depo de kyang tukjiche.
Last. Ni kiran kane yin.
Nga Crimea ne yin.
Last. Wale. Oh, ni Marcelo la inda. Marcelo la kiran debo imbe.
Depo yin tukjiche.
Last. Ni kiran kane yin. Marcelo la.
Na Brazil ne yin.
Last. Okay. Very good. Last. Rodrigo la inda. Rodrigo la. Kerang suyin.
Kerang
Nga.
Rodrigo. Na your Rodrigo yin.
Nga.
Nga Rodrigo yin.
Kerang kane yin.
Nga Netherlands yin.
No, kerang Netherlands mare. Kerang Rodrigo re. Kerang kane yin. Netherlands ne.
Netherlands ne yin.
If you just say nga Netherlands yin, you are saying I am Netherlands. Okay.
I am no. That's not true.
Okay. Last. Okay. Lasso, lasso. That's it. Okay. Tade. Ka. Ratak tra. Ta. Ratak tra. Pa. Ratak tra. Dradang chikpare. Hagosunga. Dradang chikpare. Tra. 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 We can see a category here, right? Just like that. Okay. Tade. Ka ratak tra. Pa ratak tra. Dradang chikpare. Hagosunga.
Tenzin la. In this one, in the second one, the pa, this thing, ratak, there is a line, slanting line. Why is that slanting line? No, not this. In the pa itself. In the pa, yeah. See, there's a slanting line. Normally, there's no slanting, but yesterday I noticed a slanting line.
You mean this one?
Yes.
That's.
What is that for?
Okay. That's an alphabet. You are confusing between pa. That's a category. Now this is different alphabet. Pa. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. This is
okay.
pa and this is pa. Okay.
We can see when I say pa, it's
pa
category, right? When I say pa, category. Okay. When you say the second one, you have to breathe it out strong. Pa.
Okay. Pa. Yeah. Pa and then pa.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yes. No problem. If you have question, you can ask me. No problem. Okay. Ka ratak tra. Pa ratak tra. Dradang chikpare. Hakozunga. Now we have here pa ratak tra. Tha ratak tra. Pa ratak tra. Dradang chikpare. We can see they are category. Okay. That's it. So here the ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Dradang chikpa mare. Hagosunga. Just like that. Okay. Tainda McGregor lainda. Ditang di karire.
The pa ratak tra. Pa ratak tra. The pa ratak tra.
Peago. Dradang chikpa pe.
Dradang chikpa mare.
Peago. Okay. Yakulapsong. Tainda, yeah. En clair la inda, en clair la. Di karire.
Di pa ratak tra. Pa. Fa.
Mare.
Pa ratak tra.
Pa.
Pa ratak tra. Pa ratak tra.
Dradang chikpa repe.
Dradang chikpa mare.
Dradang chikpa mare. Okay. So till now we have learned on the top we have 3 letters, right? Sa, Ra, and La. Right? Like this. Sa, khata ga, ra, khata ga, la, khata ga, like this. Or sa, kata ka, ra, kata ka, or la, kata ka, like this. On the top, there is only these three letters, sa, ra, la. Okay? Then on the bottom, we have learned till now ratak, right? Ratak. Ka, ratak, tra, like this. Ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Okay? We have learned this till now. And there are others also, right? Pa, ratak, tra, like this, right? Then we have pa, ratak, tra, like this, right? Okay, then on the bottom, we have another letter, yatak, like this, right? Then we have learned ka, yatak, kya, kya, like this. Okay, ka, yatak, kya, dengpo ke, ta ke, ra, nga, rang, kerang. We learn this word, right? Kerang suyin, kerang kaneyin, like this. Okay, we have introduced these two bottom letter. Now there is another one, only one. Okay, and that is latak. Okay, there is sometimes la in the bottom, so we call this latak. Okay. This one is very easy. Ka, latak, la. Ka, latak, la. Sa, latak, la. Ra, latak, la. Pa, latak, la. Like this. Chikpare, radang, chikpare. Okay, all of them. When it comes to latak, you can see all of these here have same pronunciation. Radang chikpare. La, la. Okay. There is one that is not same as la. Only one exception, and we will learn that later. Okay. Rest of them are same.
So Tenzin, there are three letters on top and three letters on the bottom.
That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Oh, right now. Okay. Here, generally.
Tenzin lots, only three at the bottom or more?
Very others, they are like we have word for the sound that is not in the Tibetan, that is in the India and China. We have created some word that we will learn later. Okay.
Okay.
Not important.
So
But
basically there are three up and three down.
yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So sometimes we use mantra. There are other letters, but this is not important right now. Okay. Basically, just three up, three down. That's it. Okay. Ratak, yatak, latak. Like this. Okay. So we can see ditang, 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 di. Dradang, chikpare. La, la. And when you read it, ka, latak, la. Ka, latak, la. Sa, latak, la. Ra, latak, la. Pa, latak, la. Like this. Okay? Tadi, ka, latak, la. Kikuli. Ka, latakla shapkyulu, ka latakla dengpole, ka latakla narolo, like this. Same here. Sa latakla narolo, like this.
Tenzin, may I ask, then why do we have to put it under the la? Cannot we say la straight as la, put the a at the back? Instead of putting as put a khatak or latak.
So I will say basically these are the sound we created to create different nouns and verbs and like this. Okay?
Okay.
That's the only purpose.
Okay. Okay.
So right now, what is
Tenzin,
important is
Tenzin,
how to
Tenzin,
read this.
Sorry, question about this letter.
Yes.
How do you know that la is how to say under subscript, not sa is on the head. Sa is sa go. Here we have root letter sa, right?
Yes. Yes.
But we can say no. La is the root letter and sa is on the top. How we distinguish one situation from another?
You can. There is no sa on the top that has sa in the bottom. So that is very easy. Okay. Like that. There is no sa taksa like this. So it's easy. So right now it may feel a little confusion, but don't worry. Just learn how to read it now. That is enough. Okay? And the sound. Yes. And yes, going deep down right now, there is no benefit for it. Okay? I know that you want it to be very clear from the starting. And that's kind of a not good time right now, I would like to say. Okay? Okay. So right now, you can just repeat after me and bear it. That's it. Okay? That's it. Ka latak la, ka latak la, kikuli, like this. Okay? That's it. That's so. Okay. Okay, so today we will learn 2 new words, okay? Lop truk. Sa latak la narolo pa lop. Pa ratak tra shabkyu tru ka truk. Lop truk. Okay? Lop truk. Lop truk. Lop truk. Lop truk. Lop truk karire. Lop truk student re. Student. Lop truk. Or
what is loptruk?
Loptruk student re.
Student re.
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 Sa.
Like what do you do or something like that? What's your job or?
Yes, Rodrigo La.
Does it mean like what do you do, or what's your role or something?
No, it just means Lob Truk. That's it.
Student.
Yes.
Okay.
Lob Truk. Okay. Lob Truk. Sa latak la narolo pa lob. Pa ratak tra shapkyu tru ka truk. Lob Truk. Lob Truk. Okay. That's one. And this is one. Tha kha dengbo ge. Ra khataga na gen. Gegen. Opposite of Lob Truk. Re. Okay. Tha kha dengbo ge. Ra khataga na gen. Gegen. Gegen. Lob Truk. Gegen. Lob Truk. Gegen. Lob
So
Truk.
Tenzin gegen Re.
You can say that, yes. But I don't think myself as a Gegen. Okay.
So
Okay.
Gegen is teacher, right?
Really.
Really.
You're not gegen, you're chuchu.
No, I'm just a friend. I would like to say. That's it.
Gegen Tokpo.
Really, tropo re. I'm just sharing myself. I'm not teaching anything. Okay, that's it. Gegen, Lob Truk. Oh yeah. Gegen, Lob Truk. Agosunga. Okay, let's practice. Yeah, in the Yen Hongla in the Yen Hongla. Kong Sure.
Không gegen re.
Kong Lob Truk Repe.
Mà re. Không lúc tru mà re. Không gegen re.
Kong Lob Truk Marepe.
Mà re. Không lúc tru mà re. Không gegen re.
Le Kong Gegen Rewa.
Re.
That's
Gegen re. Re. Không gegen re.
Just like that. Peago. Okay. Yago love song. In the Rodrigo la. Kong Sure.
Kong luktruk re.
Kong Gegen Marepe.
Mare. Kong gegen mare. Kong luktruk re.
Peago. That's it. Le Kong Lob Truk Repe.
Mare. Kong luktruk repe. Kong ja, Kong luktruk re.
Just like that. Okay. Sonia la in the Sonia la. Sonia la. Kong Gegen Repe.
Mare. Con Lob Truk Re.
Ale Kong Gegen Marepe.
Marepe. Lob Truk Re.
You can't say pe in the answer, okay? You can say mare, kong lob truk re, just like this, okay? Pe is like a question, right? Yeah, and
Is this Tenzin La? Is this gegen? Is this with the after the second G? Is this an H? Gegen with H?
no her. Because of the
No, huh?
because of the letter on the top, it becomes more bass with the less aspiration, less air.
Okay. Okay. Simple
Right.
gegen. Mhm.
Like this. Okay. Yapulap song. Oh, Jekla in the Jekla. Jekla. Kongsure.
Kong gegen re.
Kong loptruk marebe.
Mare kong gegen re.
Kong loptruk repe.
Mare kong gegen re.
That's it. That's it. Wangmola in the Wangmola. Wangmola Kongsure.
콩 롭축레.
Kong gegen repe.
콩 게겐 마레.
Like this. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's read this script. Nurmala in the Nurmala. Kerang dire. Nga dire. Okay?
Okay
Let's
lah.
try reading.
콩 럽툭 레베.
We're talking about this picture, okay? Can you do it again?
콩 럽툭 레베.
Mare. Kong loptruk mare. Kong gegen re.
알레 콩 럽툭 마레베.
Mare. Kong loptruk mare. Kong gegen re.
콩 게겐 데바.
Re. Kong gegen re.
콩 럽툭 마레바.
Mare. Kong loptruk mare. So here is not pa. You have to say wa. Okay?
마레와.
So here wa is also like a question. Marepe. Marewa. But wa is like a more like a confirmation question. Okay?
Okay.
Like this.
So Tenzin, does that mean that the wa is part of the same word as re? Rewa.
No, repe. Repe. Like it's like a question. So I'm making sure. Like this is apple, right? Like that one. Okay?
But you said that the last lesson you said that ha becomes wa when it's the second.
Yes, that's wa. Wa. Yes.
So that's the second syllable of the word.
Yes, yes. So rewa. Okay?
Okay.
Until it's the first. If it's in the first, you can say pa. Or when there is a prefix ba. Right? But here it's after the second or third syllable, you just say wa. Okay? That's it. Yakulap song, Nurmala. Yeah, in the Nimala in the Nimala. Nimala in the Nimala Kerang dire. Nga dire.
Also.
Kong lop truk repe.
Mare. Kong lopçuk mare. Kong gegen re.
Ale. Kong lop truk marepe.
Mare. Kong lopçuk mare. Kong gegen re.
Kong gegen rewa.
Re. Kong gegen re.
Kong lop truk marwa.
Mare. Kong lopçuk mare.
That's it. That's it. So here, ale is like a oh, like this gesture. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's what I saw. Yeah, Alona-la인다. Alona-la. Alona-la. Di Alona-la인다. Di nga인다. Alona-la yesa mare. Yeah,
I'm sorry, I'm just joined because I had problem with I didn't listen.
okay, no problem, no problem. You wanna try or you wanna study later?
Let's try.
Okay, try. No fear. That's good.
So ka naro ko na kon sa ta la tak la naro lo pa lop pa ha this one
Ratak.
ratak
Ratak tra. Shapkyu tru ka truk. Lob truk.
lop truk
Any?
Ra dempo re red pa sa
Pe.
pe
Kong lob truk repe. Like this.
kon lop truk repe.
That's it. If I ask you this question regarding this picture, Kong lob truk repe.
Hakumason.
Okay, no problem. You can watch it later again, okay? That's it, no problem. Yeah, Tarala inda, Tarala. Tarala inda.
La.
Kiran diin, nga diin.
Okay. Okay. Kong lupuk repe.
Mare. Kong lobtruk mare. Kong gegen re. Alona la lobtruk student.
Lupuk. Yeah.
Gegen teacher. Okay? That's it. Last one.
Ale. Kong lupuk mare pe.
Mare. Kong lobtruk mare. Kong gegen re.
Okay. Kong gegen repe.
Rewa.
Reva, sorry. Reva, yeah. Kong gegen Reva.
Re. Kong gegen re.
Kong lupuk mareva.
Mare. Kong lobtruk mare. Like this. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Like this, okay? Fang-fang-la inda, fang-fang-la. Di karere. Par di karere.
Pan di kangpore.
Po mare, kangpare. Pa.
Kangpare. Kangpare. Di kangpare.
Di karere. Di.
Di.
Di dua. Di lotang.
Dạ. Aku mazung. La ka nga re.
Ra kataka nga kang.
Kang pa.
Kangpa. 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 Hakusune.
Hakusung.
If I ask you, di thang di dratang chikpa repe.
Chikpamare. Dratang chikpamare.
Dratang chikpa mare. That's it. Yeah, Wangmula. Wangmula, Pardi Karire.
Party Kangbare.
Di Karire.
Di Kangbare.
Di Tang Di Dradang Chikpa Repe.
Di Tang Di Jadang Jikpa Mare.
Okay. So we can see here Kangpa, 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 Tang, Kangpa, Dradang, Chikpa Mare. Okay. So if it's a new word, you can write it down. Okay. Ra, Kataka, Nga, Kang, Pa, Kangpa.
Is that legs, Tenzin?
Re,
Oh,
Kangpa, leg, re. Okay. That's it. Yeah. Alona la di karere.
Die Ta.
Ta mare ka.
Ta.
Okay, sorry. Can you see?
Yep.
Ka. Wa.
Ka. Wa.
Kawa.
Gawa. Gawa.
So this is pa actually, but when it's after the second syllable, then it becomes wa. Okay, that's why I'm reading it as wa. Okay. Kawa. Yeah, ni di karere. Alona la di karere.
Ka. Wa.
Kawa. Ka. Wa. Kawa. Okay. Tade. Kawa. 하고숭아. Kawa. 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 Snow. Re. 하고숭아. Okay. Kawa. Tang. Kawa. Dradang. Chikpa mare. Okay. Lasso. Lainda. Marcelo lainda. Di karere. Ding, ding, ding.
Di nare.
Di karere.
Di nare.
Di tang, di dradang, chikpa repe.
Mare, di tang, di
Mare.
chikpa mare.
Dradang, chikpa mare.
Dradang chikpa mare.
Peago. Lasso. Okay. Now we have a new word here. Yeah. Fang la di lok tang. Can you read this?
Hold on.
No problem. You can repeat after me. Okay. A. Pa. Ratak dra.
A. Pa. Ratak tra.
Naro. Dro. Ka. Drok.
Naro. Ka. Dro.
Naro.
A. Pa. Ratak dra. Naro. Dro. Ka.
A. Pa. Ratak tra. Naro. Ka. Tro.
Drok. Pa.
Drok.
Drok pa. Okay. A. Pa. Ratak dra. Naro.
Dro. Ka. Druk.
Drok pa. Drok pa. Now we have here Ra, Naro, Ro, Ka, Sa, Rok, Pa, Rokpa, Drokpa, Rokpa, Drokpa, Rokpa. Tradang chikpa mare. Akosunga.
So what is Rokpa and Drukpa?
You can say Drokpa Karere. Rokpa Karere. You know this. Okay. The Drokpa Nomet re. Nomet.
Oh, Drukpa is nomad.
Re. Drokpa Nomet re.
And
Rokpa.
Pakpa, Rokpa and Rokpa.
Rokpa helper re. Helper.
Helper. Okay.
Sometimes friend. Okay. As you like.
Tensila, can you go back to the first picture on top? Go back up. One more. Yes, this one. Yeah. No. Down. One more down. Where we have the we have the column, right? And the pillars.
Yes.
And then the right on the side. Kawa. What is kawa?
You can ask me that in Tibetan.
Yeah.
Kawa karere.
Kong karere.
No, kawa karere.
So what is kawa?
Kawa snow re. Snow.
Snow. Okay.
Okay. You know how to ask this in Tibetan, okay? Kawa karere. Like this. Kawa.
Okay, kawa karere. Okay, kawa karere and kawa karere. Okay.
Kawa snow re.
Kawa sonore. Okay. Kawa pillar re.
Re. Kawa pillar re.
Kawa pillar re. Kawa sonore. Thank you.
That's right. Okay. Okay. Ade Drokpa. Rokpa.
Rokpa.
Drokpa. No man.
Rokpa.
Yak boy. No met. Not cowboy. Okay. Drokpa. Kong Drokpa re. Kong Drokpa re. Kong Tang Kong Drokpa re. Akosunga. Kong ni pene re. Kong pene re. Kong Drokpa re. Tade Rokpa. Akosunga Rokpa. Okay. Like this. Okay. If you haven't write it down, you can write it later. Okay. Okay. So today, let's write this phrase down. Ya nga yang pa sa kataka yata kya ra kyar yang kyar ka sa shapkyu su nga sung tha nga thang yang kyar sung thang. Yangkyar sung thang. So when you want me to say something again, then you can say this to me. Tenzin la yangkyar sung thang. Like this. Okay?
Does it mean something like please repeat again?
That's it.
Okay.
Yangkyar sung thang.
Please repeat or please say again. Same thing, right?
Really, chikpare.
Chikpare.
Really. Yangker sung thang. Okay. Yangker sung thang. Ya nga yang. Pa sa kataka yatakya ra kyar. Yangkyar. Ka sa shapkyu su nga sung. Tha nga thang. Sung thang. Yangkyar sung thang. Like this. Okay. If you didn't hear well, then you can say, "Oh, Tenzila, Yangkyar sung thang." You don't have to say la. It's not compulsory. But you can say Yangkyar sung thang. Okay.
See, in the picture below where the arrow is upside down, it says Yangkyur, right?
Very Yangkyar.
Yeah, Yangkyur. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yangkyar sung thang. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. One more minute. Yangkyar sung thang. Yangkyar sung thang. Okay. 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 So here, yatak. Ka yatak kya. Ka yatak kya. Ka yatak kya. Like this. Okay. Ka yatak kya. Ka yatak kya. Ka yatak kya. Like this. Okay. So we have Yangkyar sung thang. Okay.
Tenzin-la,
Yes.
Nalativayo.
Lasso sung thang.
Consider Tsukjup Kong Lopchuk Re. If I put A before final Re, we get Kong Lopchuk Are. How it change the meaning?
That's a come dialect, and it will become a question. It's a dialect. It's not a written form. So that is like a come dialect. It's not in the written form. Okay. It just becomes question in come dialect.
So it make a question in another form than Pe.
Yes.
Are.
Very. It's like a pasa pe. It's just a come dialect, okay, from my village, but it's not in the written form. It's only dialect. Yes.
Tenzin,
Yes, please. Latham.
could you read care again? The Yangkyar. The word care.
Yeah.
Okay.
Could you write it? Or read it? Okay.
Pa sa kataka yata kya ra kyar kyar.
Kyar. Not care. Kyar. Okay.
Yangkyar. Yangkyar.
Kyar. Okay.
Okay. Agudu. Okay. Okay. Tadi. Yenhong라인다. yenhong라 콩수레.
콩 아마레
콩수레.
콩 뿌꾸레
or
파라찬 축쿠 축쿠레
추쿠당 부쿠 추쿠
찍바레
레레 찍바레. Okay. 파 라딱 트라 샵규 트루 가 샵규 쿠 트루쿠.
So then it's like a baby girl, or how is it? Is it different?
There is no different. Puku or truku, both are same. Okay. Chikpare. Puku tang, truku, chikpare. When you say kid, there is no gender. Child, there is no gender. So like that. Okay. It's not only for baby. So any child, we can say puku or truku. Okay.
So what's the difference between puku and truku? It's a different dialect from the different region or something like that?
No. They are not dialect. They both are written form.
Okay. So why written differently? Truku or puku? Why?
That's just extra.
Huh?
Just extra. There is no.
Don't understand lah. Why different? I mean, is it particular reason why they have to write as puku and truku?
Yes. So I will
Like
say
saying kid or child, it's the same, right?
yes. So I will say puku is more speaking and truku is more written form. Okay, that's the only little difference. That's it. Otherwise, it's same.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. Puku, truku, chikpare. Okay. That's it. Yeah, jekla in the jekla. Semchin di karere. Semchin, animal. Semchin di karere.
Re, di semchen re.
Di karere. Semchin karere. Semchin di karere. Animal di karere.
Hakuma song.
Di ka yata kya
Oh,
kiku ki re. Okay. Whoa. Ki. Just like that. Okay. Ki. Okay.
Yeah.
There. Ki. Ki truk. Ka yata kya kiku ki. Pa rata tra shabgyu tru ka truk. Ki truk. Okay. Di ki truk re. Di ki re.
What's the difference?
The ki truk, the puku re. Ki puku.
Okay. Puku re. Okay.
Ki truk. Puppy.
Kitruk is puppy. Okay.
Kitruk puppy re. Ki.
Okay. Grown up adult dog. Okay.
Kitruk.
So if we would say ratruk, it would be a little goat.
Re. That's it. Now you got it. Yes. That's it. Very easy. You can apply like that. Okay. Ratu or Luktu. And for look, you can say Luku also. There is other word. Luktruk is also good. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Okay. Then we have here. Semchen di tha naru tho ma thom. Semchen di thom re. Ani yeah, sonjala in the sonjala di kharere.
What was the big one?
Tom.
Tom. The Tom Trugre.
Re, the Tom Trugre. Just like that. Okay. That's it. Di Tom Re, di Tom Trugre. That's all. Tom Trug. Ki Trug. Okay. Adinda. Yeah. Nurmala in the Nurmala di kharere.
Di tak trukre.
Tak truk. Well. McGregor la in the di kharere. McGregor la yube. Di kharere.
Tak.
Re.
Sa.
Tak.
Ta. Tak. Tak. Ha.
Sa. Ta tak.
Kha.
Sa. Kha tak.
Kha. Kha tak.
Tak.
Ta tak.
Tak truk. Tak truk. Di tak re. Di tak truk re. Okay. And just like that, we have here look truk. You can also say, and also luku. Okay. Luku. Di luku re or look truk re. Di look re. Look. Okay. That's it. So that's it for today's Tujiche, Tashi Delek, and those Alonala, you can look at the video and practice again, okay? And others who didn't understood well or who missed the class, please study again, practice well. Ani Tashi Delek, Tujiche.
Tashi dile, tujiche.
Tuji dile, shela.
Jemazilyon.
Jemajeyon, lasso, tujiche.
Tujiche.
Lasso.